Hello and welcome back to another Finalweb 2.0 tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at photo galleries and how you can use them in your website. So let's get started here. The first thing we want to go ahead and do is just make a new page so we can demonstrate what we want to be learning here. And the easiest way to do that is probably just coming over to the page options here. And if we hit new page, we're going to have a bunch of options that we can go through to make a new page. The easiest one here is probably just a basic page with a small header. We'll name that photo gallery. And we'll save that here, and we've got our new page here. So on this page, we can just go ahead and add section and scroll down till we see the photo gallery. Whenever we select this, we'll get a couple different options here. We can either go and select a gallery we've already made, but since we haven't made one yet, we'll go ahead and just make a new gallery. Just name this gallery 1. Add the section, and we have made a photo gallery section. So now we have a photo gallery section. We're going to want to add some photos to the section. So there's a couple options to do this. We can either add photos here if there's no photos already in the gallery, or we can hop up here to this button and edit gallery from here. So we'll just click that button now. And to add some photos, we have also a couple different options. We can add local files from your actual computer, or you can go into the server files which are already on your website. Also up here we have gallery details, where you can edit the title and the description of your photo gallery. So going back to the Photos tab here, we can just see the different ways of uploading files. So let's look at local files. We've got a couple pictures here ready to go, so I'll just highlight them. And as soon as you click open, they'll get imported right away into the server. Now if you hover over them in this editor here, we can hit the pencil icon to edit some of the details of the picture. Further, we can hit the pencil again to edit the actual picture in our built-in editor here. Or we can hit the red X, and doing so will get rid of the picture. Let's go ahead and save this gallery. And so now we've made our first photo gallery. Next, let's look at the image gallery index, which is going to be a more broader look at all of your photo galleries. So let's go ahead again and make a new page for this using the menu. This time I'll name it photo galleries. Make a new page and save it. We'll move it towards the center here. So now we have photo gallery, which we're on, and photo galleries, which we want to go to. And let's look at this section called image gallery index. It's towards the bottom. But here it is right here. Display a list of the photo galleries. So right now, whenever we select this section, it's going to pop up with the one photo gallery we have made. Default, there are no photo galleries, so there won't be anything showing up. But just to illustrate this a little bit more, let's go ahead and make one more photo gallery. And we can do that by going to Administration, go down to Photo Galleries, and we can see the gallery we've already made here. We can edit it or trash it. Hit the plus icon down here and name it. Now we've got our new gallery set up. Let's just throw in the files we had before. Same process as before, nothing different. The buttons look a little bit different inside the administrator. We still have our gallery details. We can add a description. And we're done. So we'll head back to our page and see the difference. So now we've got two with the same thumbnail because they have the same content. But as you add more photos, the thumbnails will change, and you can change that. So this image gallery index is going to be pretty important, and it's super useful if you have your own page for it. So a user going through your site can see, oh hey, up here we've got a bunch of photo galleries, and as soon as they click on it, they'll be taken to this page where whenever they see all of your photo galleries listed, they can click on them one by one and check out what's inside of them. So let's just rename this here, make this a little prettier. And we can just change the background here to maybe a camera. So now it's looking a little bit more like a nice photo gallery list where any user could come through and check out the photos you've got on your website. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, adding content to your site through photo galleries. And if you have any questions further that weren't explained already, you can go over to finalweb.com, head over to support, scroll down to contact technical support, and you can either reach us by phone or send us an email through here, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks for watching.